Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on the sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy phones. So to do that, just go to settings and here tap on modes and routines, and here we have sleep. Just tap on this, and from here you can create the right environment to help you sleep well and wake up on time. Just tap start, and now you need to set your usual sleep and wake up times. Sleep mode will turn on and off on these times. So I will set, let's say for example, from 11:14 until 7, okay, and sleep time will be 7 hours and 30 minutes, and I will skip Sunday and Saturday. I will let enable wake up alarm and alarm sound Bixby alarm no, vibration basic call snooze 5 minutes 3 times. Okay, so this is good for me, and then just press next, and let's read turn on do not disturb to avoid distraction. Okay, I will let enable do not disturb, and from here you can set up some calls and messages which are allowed, also some app notifications. Okay, then just press next. Choose settings to apply when sleep mode starts. Grayscale on. Okay, I will let just grayscale on, and then just press done, and that's all. So sleep mode will turn out automatically from 11:14 p.m. to 7 a.m. the next days. Okay, do not disturb will be also enabled, and grayscale is on. Okay, so that's all. You can turn on right now if you want, or you can turn off. And also this sleep mode you can enable from the top bar. We have here modes, and just tap on sleep, and that's all. Sleep mode will be active. As you can see now, my phone is on grayscale. And to turn it off, just go back, tap on sleep, and now we are back on normal. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.